Dormir.
means to sleep. In this video, we will learn the verb to sleep in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is one of the irregular verb, and it follows the pattern that is shown here. With this pattern, you can conjugate a number of verbs having similar ending. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I sleep.
Je dors.
You sleep. Informal way.
Tu dors.
He sleeps. Masculine.
Il dort.
She sleeps. Feminine.
Elle dort.
We sleep, or one sleeps. Informal way.
On dort.
We sleep. Formal way.
Nous dormons.
You sleep. Formal way.
Vous dormez.
They sleep. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils dorment.
They sleep. Group of only females.
Elles dorment.
This French verb is used to express the action of sleeping. Its conjugation is straightforward, and it is commonly used in everyday conversation. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I sleep early every night.
Je dors tôt chaque soir. Je dors tôt chaque soir.
You sleep well.
Tu dors bien. Tu dors bien.
He sleeps in his room.
Il dort dans sa chambre. Il dort dans sa chambre.
She sleeps peacefully.
Elle dort paisiblement. Elle dort paisiblement.
One sleeps a lot during the holidays.
On dort beaucoup pendant les vacances. On dort beaucoup pendant les vacances.
We sleep 8 hours per night.
Nous dormons 8 heures par nuit. Nous dormons 8 heures par nuit.
You sleep in late on the weekend.
Vous dormez tard le week-end. Vous dormez tard le week-end.
They sleep in their beds.
Ils dorment dans leur lit. Ils dorment dans leur lit.
They sleep at their friend's place.
Elles dorment chez des amis. Elles dorment chez des amis.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I sleep.
Je dors.
You sleep. Informal way.
Tu dors.
He sleeps. Masculine.
Il dort.
She sleeps. Feminine.
Elle dort.
We sleep or one sleeps. In formal way.
On dort.
We sleep. Formal way.
Nous dormons.
You sleep. Formal way.
Vous dormez.
They sleep. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils dorment.
They sleep. Group of only females.
Elles dorment.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.